Today on SETC we have a Teen Titans Go show for you! We have 2 Teen Titans surprise cubes filled with toys and surprises, and we also have the brand new Teen Titans Go T-Car and Cyborg figure. So let's go ahead and see what's inside our first Teen Titans Go surprise cube. On our first Teen Titans Go surprise cube we have Raven. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, awesome! We have a Teen Titans Go mystery bag. Let's see what figures inside. Ooh, let's get it built up. And we've got Speedy. Oh, he looks super cool. So his arms move, his head moves, and his legs turn from side to side, and we can interchange all the parts of this figure. Oh, he's super cool. Next up we have... Awesome! We have a Power Rangers Mega Construx blind bag, and this is Series 1. Oh, look at those cool figures we can get. Oh, I hope we get the Green Ranger. Let's open it up and see who's inside. Ooh, awesome! Let's get it built up. Oh, that is so awesome. We've got my favourite, the Green Ranger. So he gets the Dragon Dagger with him. Comes with his own stand. And he's articulated. Yeah, 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 yeah! Oh, he is so awesome. Who's your favourite Ranger? Let us know in the comments below. Okay, so next up, we have another Teen Titans Go blind bag. Who's it going to be inside? Let's find out. Awesome! We've got a new one! And we've got Jinx! Oh my goodness, check out her super cool pink hair! Oh, she looks super cool! Wow! So again, we can move her arms and her head and her legs turn. Let's mix her up with Speedy! Phew. Hey, give me back my body! No! Ah! Okay, so it's time to take a look at our new Teen Titans Go T-Car! Wow, this looks super awesome! So we even get an exclusive Cyborg figure with it. And it fits in all the members of the Teen Titans! Wow, that is super cool! So, let's open our T-Car up and take a closer look at it. So here we have Cyborg and the T-Car. And oh my goodness, it looks super cool. So first of all, here's our exclusive Cyborg figure. That is such a cool big grin he's got on his face. Haha! That's such a cool figure. And he's even got translucent blue on his head as well. And the T-Car, oh my goodness, it is so cool. And this can actually fit inside 5 Teen Titans figures. And the best thing of all, we can actually attach part of Cyborg to the car. So we have the engine section, and we can take our Cyborg figure apart, fit his head in the engine. That looks super cool. And his arms, we can just deattach them. And we can put the arms in the wheels. Like so. That looks so cool. And we can also stick Cyborg's head in the top of the car like so. Whoa, blasting away the baddies. So the T-Car can fit up to 5 figures inside. All we have to do is open both the doors like so. And inside we have these seats where each of the figures can be placed. So let's put in the whole team. So there we have it, all 5 members of the Teen Titans Go have been fitted inside the T-Car. Starfire doesn't look very happy though. Cyborg is loving the T-Car. And just look at Robin. Yeah! Move out of the way! Oh my goodness! What have you done? We said move out of the way!
Quick, get Robin! We're coming to get you!
Help!
We're coming to get you!
So, let's move on to our next surprise cube. So next up we have Robin. Let's see what's inside. Cool, we have another Teen Titans Go blind bag. Let's see who's inside this one. And it's another double. So we have another Speedy. You're still super cool though. And next up we have... Cool! We have a Trolls Series 3 blind bag. Let's see which troll we get today. Awesome! This troll looks super cool. So he's wearing a pair of dungarees and he's got super cool blue hair. Wow! He looks so awesome.
Ho hair, my eyes, oh, check out my hair.
That is such a cool figure. And our next surprise? Awesome! We have another Teen Titans Go blind bag. I wonder who's inside this one. Let's find out. Awesome! Let's get it built up. So we've got the regular Cyborg figure. And he doesn't really have a huge smile, but he still looks super cool. And he's still got translucent blue on his head. So let's mix him up with our new Speedy.
Whoa, what happened? What happened to you? What happened to me? Look, my head's on my arm, and my arm's where my head should be. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah!
And there we have our awesome surprises from our Teen Titans Surprise Cube and the brand new Teen Titans Go T-Car and Cyborg figure pack. Let us know in the comments below what was your favourite, and don't forget to give our video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching SETC, and we'll see you next time.